Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about the two copy trading strategies that I'm following inside tag markets. I want to show you the results we got in August. And if you're looking for a completely hands-free option that can generate passive income in autopilot, then I want to invite you to watch this video. Hopefully this information can help you to understand how the whole thing works. Today is about gold trading. We are always looking for options inside the crypto world, but I have to be honest, crypto is like a roller coaster. One day we are making 100, 200, 300% in returns, but the next day we can lose all the gains if the trend changes. Lately, the trend inside crypto, it hasn't been too friendly, but this is why I learned a long time ago that diversification is super important, especially when we talk about passive income options. That's why I started to add gold alternatives to my list. The big difference compared to crypto is that gold tends to follow more technical patterns. Lately, it's been in a beautiful run. Last Friday, we had an excellent close. And even today, Monday, 1st of September, gold started with another push to the outside. So that's really good. While the crypto is down, we have the other option. And the best part is that with the option I'm going to show you today, we don't need to sit down and do the technical analysis. In fact, we don't need to know anything about trading. We only copy the professionals. So today I'm going to show you these two accounts inside tag markets. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to show you another option that is outside tag markets. But I also found it super interesting because they are offering not only steady returns, but also a fantastic risk management. Before we go there, please remember that crypto is risky, trading is risky. If at any point you would like to get involved in any option inside this industry, make sure you understand how it works, do your own due diligence, and only participate with risk capital. Also, let me invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications from this channel. Thank you in advance for your support, and all right, let's go. If you don't know what is tag markets, well, this is a broker where you can trade all type of instruments, including crypto, but mostly they are focusing on Forex. They have a regulation from the FSC. One of the most important features inside this broker is the account called 12x Amplify. Basically, whatever you deposit gets multiplied by 12. It's like having a founded account, but we don't need to perform any challenges. We will have full access to this capital to do trading. There are some rules like the 10% drawdown limit. As long as you follow that, you can have a great experience and take advantage of the 12x leverage. I have a full review where I explain everything about tag markets, the people behind all of this, the regulation, how to get started, how to activate the 12x account. If you want to learn all of that, I will leave the link in the description of this video. And again, if you're a trader, this is going to be a huge advantage for all of us. Even if you want to start with a small amount, you can take advantage of the leverage and start to get bigger returns. But I know many of you don't know how to trade. Many of you don't have the time or just don't want to learn how to do this. Probably you are just looking for an automated system that works 24/7. And here is where I think tag markets is giving us a great option to do that. Because right here we can find a number of different traders with different strategies. I've been studying and following some of them. You have people with conservative approach. Some others are very aggressive. Some others are not really consistent. But I found two accounts with a very solid win rate, and those are the two accounts that I'm following here. The first one is called Club the Traders. This account has been running for 71 days, and during these 71 days, they have a total return of 101% in returns. That means they already duplicate their initial deposit. Right now, the balance is sitting in 50,000. And here we have more information about the performance of this account. You can see here in the graphs the evolution of this account for the last 3 months, 1 month, a week. And if you come right here, right to the bottom of the page, you will see the stats they got started in June. There was a drawdown of 1%. So they have a couple of losses there. But then in July, the returns were sitting in 23%. And last month, the performance was incredible, 64% in returns. And if you come right here where it says history, you can see all the positions. They are only trading gold, the size of the trade, timing. Let's take a look at last month. To me, this is insane. I didn't find any losses last month. The consistency and returns were top notch. If we go to probably the first month, that was in June, there we will find some losses. Look at that, 134, 80. So I'm not sure, but to me, probably they have a bot. Probably they were trying different settings, because after they set it up, the bot, the performance is being incredible. No losses at all. And you can come here and check all of that information. This is what I like about tech markets. They are not hiding all of this info. In other brokers, we don't have access to this, so that's pretty cool. Well, the returns here last month were 64, but I didn't start at the beginning of the month. My returns were sitting in 20% because I started almost at the end of August, but I'm super happy with those returns anyways. The average for this account is sitting right now in 26% per month, around 6.58% per week. It's always active from Monday to Friday. And even right here, we can see the every single day's gains. So it's always moving. That's another plus. And the other account that I'm following is this one called Sunrise. I talked about this one in one of my previous videos. I followed this one from the beginning of August. And this one gave us in August a 29% in returns. That's really, really good. This account has been running for 212 days. And during this time, the returns are sitting in 138%. This is a different type of account. If for some reason you want to participate inside this one, you need to open a cent account. It's not going to trade based on dollars. It's going to trade based on cents. Designed for people with smaller deposits, but also people that want to trade with smaller lot sizes. With the cent account, we don't have access to the 12x amplifier because this one is going to amplify your deposit right from the beginning. So we don't need that. If you deposit, let's say 100, that 100 is going to turn into 10,000. Or you will see it as a 10,000, but it's 10,000 cents. Still, when you withdraw, it's going to convert to dollars, and that's how it works. I will show you how to activate that account in a second. First, let me show you the results in the last 7 days. Here is a new position. They just opened it. It's the first trade of September. But if we check August, last month, look at all the results right here. We have no losses. That's insane, guys. I saw a couple of losses in the first months. You can go there and check those. But overall, this account is always delivering excellent results. And you can see it here in the graph. No dramatic drawdowns like you see with other accounts. If you want to activate a cent account, let me show you. And all of these steps, I explained it in my review, my full review. Remember, the link is in the description. I explained how to deposit. After you deposit, you will see your balance right here. And if you want to amplify your account, you come right here, turn your deposit into a 12x, and then you can go and subscribe, for example, to the Club of Traders with the Amplify account. Okay, this is the one I showed you before. You go to invest and you follow the steps, just like I showed in the video. But if you want to follow the Sunrise account, you need to first create a cent account. To do that, we're going to go to accounts, and right here we are going to click where it says real. We're going to create a cent account, and we're going to click right here, USC, that means cent. You can see it right there. Select 1 to 500, type your login password, and create the account. And they are going to give you the login information, the number of that account. Then I assume you already deposit, you have your balance right there. Now you have to transfer from this wallet to the cent account. So you go to Tag Wallet and transfer from this balance to the cent account. That's it. Once you do that, then you go back to social trading, provider ratings, and find Sunrise, and you click in invest. Now this is the information you will receive by email. Click in register, and once you are inside the page, all you need to do is click in activate. And again, I explain all of this inside the video, so that's how you can join the Sunrise account. Anyways, I'm going to come back here to show you my results. Hopefully we have a fantastic September for the gold market, and the same with this one, Club the Traders. And remember, I told you about another opportunity outside tech markets that is also looking really, really good. Well, I'm talking about PAMMBridge. This is a community called Pip Logic. Pip Logic delivers gold trading signals, but a few months ago they decided to create an automation, a Pamm account that is hosted right here inside PAMMBridge. The returns are more conservative, giving around 15% in monthly returns. What I like about this option is that we can see the people behind all of this. There is also a YouTuber involved there, a guy with 8 years of experience. He's super careful about the risk management, and I have a video where I explain all of that. I'm also going to put it in the description of this video. If you are looking to build a portfolio with different options, in this case of copy trading, I want to invite you to check that video as well. And as usual, if you have any questions for me, you can find me on Telegram. The link is in the description of this video. Well, guys, this is all that I want to show you today. My results inside tech markets with these two strategies that I'm following. If you want to follow the evolution of these accounts, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. Bye.